In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add seller's note on eBay listing. If you want to include an extra message for buyers inside your listing, eBay makes that easy to do while editing a draft. This is useful if you want to clarify item details, mention important conditions, or add a short note that helps buyers better understand what they're purchasing. In this walkthrough, we'll go from your seller dashboard to the draft listing, and then we'll add the note directly into the description section. To get started, sign into your eBay account and look at the top area of the page. Click on Sell. This will take you into the seller side of eBay, where you can manage your active listings, drafts, and other selling tools. Once you're in the selling area, move your cursor over listings. You don't need to click right away here. Just hover over it so the menu appears. This section gives you access to different listing categories, and for this task, we want to open the saved draft version of the item you're working on. From the menu that appears, click on Drafts. This will open the page where eBay stores listings that have been started but not yet published, or listings you've saved to finish later. If you have multiple drafts, take a moment to find the correct one before continuing. When you locate the draft you want to edit, click on Resume Draft. That opens the listing editor so you can continue working on the item details. This is the same area where you can review the title, pricing, photos, item specifics, shipping settings, and of course the description. Now scroll to the description section. In that field, type your seller's note. This is where you can add the message you want buyers to see as part of the listing. Keep your note clear, professional, and easy to read. For example, you may want to mention a small detail about the item's condition, packaging, or anything else that helps set the right expectations. It's a good idea to keep the wording simple so buyers can quickly understand the message. After entering the note, review the description to make sure everything reads smoothly and fits with the rest of the listing. A well-written seller's note can reduce confusion and help buyers feel more confident before making a purchase. And that's all it takes to add a seller's note on an eBay listing. Once your note is in place, you can continue editing the rest of the draft or move forward with publishing when you're ready.